onto my video today. I just decided to do a makeup tutorial for you. I'm going out tonight. I'm going to have some cocktails with my mom and my friend Cody. We kind of want to go have a pina colada, and I haven't had a pina colada in ages, so that's what we're doing tonight. I kind of want to do something to match with this top. I'm freaking in love with it. So I'm actually really excited to do my makeup and get dressed up. I haven't done this in like a really long time, and like getting this all set up and everything has taken me yonks because I don't know, a lot of things have been going wrong today, and I'm like, is someone giving me evil eye or something? If you want to see how I transform into something, into it like a glowing 70s babe, then please keep watching. I sounded really cocky then. I didn't mean to sound cocky, but it just came out. I'm going to start with my primer. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty primer. I actually love this. It's a hydrating primer, and I'm just going to lather my skin in it. I say literally a lot, and I say like a lot. I've noticed in my videos. Like, see, I just said like then. Shut up. Seriously, Taylor, seriously. I bought the medium 3 Stromboli Sheer Glow Nars foundation. I actually stopped using this, and then I bought it again, and I'm like, why did I stop? It's seriously the nicest foundation. So what's everyone been up to? I want to know what's been going on in people's lives. Take this off because I always get like a little bit hot. I might just wrap it around me so I'm like not as cold. But I get really warm when I'm like doing my face. I don't know why. I think all the concentration. How has Mercury retrograde been making you feel? Because I'm not even kidding. This has probably been the worst Mercury retrograde I've ever experienced. Like, because it's in its main sign, Gemini. Because Mercury's all about communication. Oh my god. Mercury's all about communication. So like, people don't know what Mercury retrograde is. What do you mean? Like, you should know this by now. I feel like a lot of people talk about it. Everyone see the blood moon? That was insane. I sat outside with my friends and we wrote down things that we want to get rid of on bay leaves, and we burnt them, and it was like releasing all the crap. Just putting some Tarte Shape Tape on. I got this pinky one. I like to use pink undertones. I don't know why. It brightens up a bit more and gets rid of that dark shadow. I need to cover my scarring. It's so bad. That's the only bad thing about Accutane is like, it does get rid of it, like it dries it out, but like bloody hell, like the scarring is insane. Oh my god, the sun's gonna come out. It's all bright now. I love it. Stay like that. I need to get a new camera. Maybe that's what I should get for my birthday. I was contemplating going to Melbourne for my birthday, but because of the whole shebang that's going on, so I don't know what to do. Do I go? Like, I'm just gonna wait a bit and before I book flights. But yeah, I really just want to go away for my birthday, or if I can't, I'm gonna get a camera. One or the other. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna use the Caramel Born This Way concealer, and I saw this girl do this nose contour that a lot of celebrities do, and it's to concentrate on the areas between your, so like here, and you push it into your brow, and this is like you're pinching that area, so it's making it look more slim. Like, there's nothing wrong with my nose. I just like to contour just cause. And they like to do this area. I actually like my nose. Like, I don't have a problem with my nose. My brother was actually the reason why I'm doing this makeup tutorial. He's like, you need to do another one. I'm like, okay. Hello, Jake. Jakey boy. Jakey boy. I used to call, we used to sing a song to Jake when he was like little, and it was like, Jake the snake did a little lump with an extra leg, did a little. I'm just gonna get a bit of this lighter concealer. I'm just gonna literally blend this in a bit. I just like when it looks very sculpted under the I can't even talk, underneath my eye. Is it just me, or is the year going really fast? Like, we're in June right now. Like, what the hell? Where did the start of the year go? It's gone that fast that I'm gonna be 25 next month. What the hell? I'm getting old. I'm just kidding. My bloody camera stopped again. I don't. F off, Mercury. Seriously. Okay, I'm gonna contour my cheekbones and underneath so I get no double chinny. Concealer again. I look freaking crazy right now, but oh well. I'm just gonna do a dab underneath. And then I'm gonna go in with a bit more of foundation just to even out the tones. Step. I'm gonna use my MAC, this is a foundation. Studio Fix Plus foundation. You can use it as a foundation, but you don't have to. I'm using it as a setting powder. I'm just gonna use a contouring brush. Look what happened to my brushes. Do not recommend putting boiling water in your sink when you're washing brushes because it fades the color. I need to get new ones anyway. I've had these for like 7 years. I need to get new ones. I'm just gonna set underneath my eyes, a little bit on the chin and the forehead. I'm gonna contour a little bit with my hoola by Benefit, and I'm just going to go over that contour that we just did. Nose, and I might do a bit on my eyelids. Just add that bit of oomph. It's done. Ooh. I'm going to do a little bit of this is my favorite thing ever. You probably already know that because every tutorial I use this is Global Glow by MAC. I'm just going to use that same brush that I use powder, and I'm just going to go over the contour. This just adds a bit of glow, like you don't look so matte. I then want to put some blush on. My favorite is the Orgasm by Nars. And then they have really raunchy names, Nars. I think there's one called like Deep Throat. Damn, who made up these names? Okay, so I'm just gonna pat this on. I'm literally patting it. And I'm gonna put it all over my nose. And I'm just gonna, I like blush. Can you tell? It's gonna fade. Don't freak out. It's gonna fade. Blush is the first thing to fall off your face. Yeah, I might do my brows first. I'm going to use, I never really show what I do with my brows, but I'm gonna show you today. I use the Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and I'm just gonna use an angled brush. Start on the bottom of the brow, and what I like to do is mark a line, follow your natural brows, and I'm not really using a lot on my brush. I'm literally just flicking it up into my brow hairs, and it kind of makes it look more natural. I like to end my brow right where my eye finishes. I like to do is go in with a, oh my god, my dad just picked up his new car. He just put an old ute. Oh my god, it's so yellow. Wowie. okay. I'm just gonna brush through my brows with this what is it called? Gimme Brow, and it's in dark brown as well. This just gives it some volume. I like to do it in the front. Okay, my brows are done. And now I can move on to my eyeballs. I hit the pan on all of them, so I bought a new one. I'm so happy. Like, don't you just love a fresh palette? It's so satisfying. I'm going to go in with orange soda, put this in the crease. So I'm just going to use this as a crease colour. Then I might do... Oh, which one should I do? Should I do the Hype first? Yes. Love it. This green one here called the Hype. I'm going to get another fluffy brush. I'm going to go in that green. Oh my god, I'm scared. I don't want this to look bad. I'm gonna start in the inner corner. I never really do crazy eye looks a lot. This is like, I don't even remember the last time I did something crazy like this. It's very Yoshi green. You know Yoshi from Mario Kart? It's very much that colour. He's my favourite, by the way, and I will beat you on Mario Kart. I am the best. I have bet everyone that I've versed. I'm the queen of Mario Kart. Just letting you know that. I should put that in my bio. And I'll always be Yoshi. No one picks Yoshi but me. I mean it. So I kind of want to deepen it a bit because I'm dark and deep. No, I'm not. I'm just going to go in with Warrior. It's kind of like an olive green, which I kind of want to use because it's kind of olive on my top. It's going to deepen that outer corner as well, which I kind of like. Do you want to know what's something crazy? I'm so random sometimes. But I had a woman tell me the other day that she doesn't believe in aliens. And when someone tells me that, I get really scared because I'm like, I don't want to talk to you anymore because how can you not believe in aliens? Like, I just looked at her like what? Like, how can you not believe it? I'm just saying right now, like, oh my god, it scared the crap out of me. I have these LED lights and they're falling down, even though I pinned them up. Okay, I'm gonna fix that later. You better not fall all the way down. Took me ages to stick that up. Yeah, I just think like people that don't believe in aliens really scare me. I don't know why. Like, do you see that? Oh, I'll deal with that later. Yeah, I just think people like that really freak me out. How can you just think that we're the only things here? Like, it makes my mind like, what? I'm gonna go in with that ecstasy color, which is that bright fluorescent green. I'll put it in my inner corner, actually, this green. I'm just gonna go in with that warrior color, which is that deep green. Then I'm gonna go underneath my eye with that. Go in with that ecstasy with the same brush, and I'm just gonna go in the inner corner with that as well. I'm gonna use this Fortune color. It's a goldy yellow in this palette. I'm gonna use a flat brush and I'm gonna wet it a little bit using my Morphe setting spray. Literally put it in the middle of my finger and this Dior palette, and I'm gonna go in with glitter strobe gold, which is this one here, and I'm just gonna put my finger in and do it. I kind of want to do this shimmery brown in the waterline. a brown wing. I'm going to use my Kat Von D tattoo liner. I use Model Rock lashes, and I'm obsessed with these ones. They're called Silk 13s. I'll show you them. Look at them, they're sick. I love them. My mascara on. I use the Lancome Hypnose. My lips. I'm kind of thinking of using Oak, which is my favorite lip liner. A little bit of nude 1.5 by KKW. This LH Cosmetics and Brandy Snap. I actually got sent this and their milk cleanser, and I'm in love. It's one of my favorite lipsticks. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put that on. It's like a peachy color and it's hydrating. To set my face and go do my hair. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this. Like, I don't know. I'm actually really feeling the green. I'm vibing it, you know. If you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up and come subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Give me just some silver line.